Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite, this beautifully designed notebook is ultra-thin and ultra-powerful, making it perfect for those who are on the go and ready to embrace the new era of AI. Introducing the HP EliteBook Ultra G1q. Hi guys, Daniel here, and I'm extremely excited to show you this new device and walk you through some of the cutting-edge features of our next-gen AI PC. Let's get started. At HP, we are committed to sustainability in everything that we do, and that's going to start here with this new premium packaging. It is 99% plastic-free and made with sustainably sourced and recyclable materials. And it doesn't stop there. The notebook itself is also going to be composed of 50% recycled aluminum in the chassis, as well as 50% post-consumer recycled plastic in the keycaps. Now, if you want to learn more, you can go ahead and scan this QR code on the inside of the box, or you can scan this QR code that's next to me here. All right, moving on. The next generation AI PC was built from the ground up to be a stylish on-the-go AI assistant. On the surface, it's ultra thin, it's ultra light, and easy to carry and travel with. We wanted to make sure this PC would hold up to the wear and tear of jumping from place to place, from the plane to the hotel or to wherever you may be working. So we improved its durability with a PVD coating to help lengthen the lifespan of the unit and to help keep it clean. As we open it up, you will notice on the keyboard this lighter accent of blue on the F keys and the power button to help make them easier to identify. Now we've also have this new hinge design that's going to help provide more airflow and better thermal ventilation for the unit. Now under the hood, it's powered with the Qualcomm Snapdragon X Elite 12-core ARM processor that works with the new ARM64 version of Windows 11. That's going to provide you an incredibly responsive experience. It's also going to contain a GPU that has enabled me to edit this exact video on this exact PC, as well as the new NPU. Now, the NPU, or neural processing unit, is capable of 45 trillions of operations per second. Now, this is next level power that will help unlock a whole new world of AI experiences, including those recently introduced by Microsoft, which means that this device is a Copilot Plus PC. Now, as you can see here, it comes with a dedicated Copilot key, giving you quick access to these Copilot features. Now, the NPU is also what's helping to make this processor so efficient. By offloading these AI experiences to the NPU, it's going to help free up your CPU for everything else, giving you better battery life as well as better performance, because you're not taxing that CPU for all of these AI experiences. Now, Windows isn't the only one bringing these AI experiences to the table. At HP, we are incorporating AI built right into our PCs, with solutions such as AI-based noise reduction or dynamic voice leveling, which we've introduced in PCs a few years ago. But now we're going to take those experiences a step further by introducing HP AI Companion and Polycamera Pro, both included on this device. Now, AI Companion is going to provide a central hub of AI tools for users to learn and grow with AI while elevating their everyday experiences. And Polycamera Pro allows you to manage and control your conferencing experience with AI-based features like auto-framing, background blur, and spotlighting. You can also personalize how you show up with customizable scenes, watermarks, and image enhancements. And to top it all off, the HP EliteBook Ultra G1q still includes the enterprise-grade endpoint security out of the box with HP Wolf Security in GAV, which uses machine learning to detect and protect against known and unknown malware threats. The HP EliteBook Ultra G1q is meticulously designed to ignite productivity, delivering responsive performance, compatibility with critical business applications, and optimized battery life to keep you charging throughout your workday. Thanks for watching.